Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find this option App Management. So it should be somewhere here next to the storage and location. So just tap on App Management and then tap on App List at the top. So right here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and all we have to do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and then tap on Reset App Preferences. And here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.